we spoke about how to search for some technical information. And as I keep saying, you're going to see later on how to utilize those information. Even if they are not that clear so far, but still we're going to see how to use some tools to get advantage from this information to achieve our objective. In this section, or in this lecture, I'm going to talk about gathering information about people. Now, there is different way for doing that. Some way I will not explain, like using social network. So you can go to Facebook and search about a specific person, what is his hobby, where he's working, or even things like LinkedIn account, where you can get his full profile. This is very useful in social engineering. You're going to see how. But what I'm going to show you some website and some tools that can allow you to get even deeper information about people. So now, let's start with a simple way. If we are searching for information about people who work in Easy Counsel, so I need to get their email. There is some tool for doing that, but let me do that in a simple way first. Then I'm going to go and explain a very important intelligence tool and show you how to do that in an automated way. So you can search in Google. I mean, I know that I'm looking for people who work on, for instance, Easy Counsel. So I can search, can open Google, and I can search for at easycounsel.org, right? And this means I'm looking for any email in easycounsel.org. This is an easy way for doing that. So if you keep searching, definitely you get some people working on Easy Counsel. So you just, it needs patience. And penetration testing in general needs someone, that has patience, because you spend time searching. And so let's see, are we getting anything? Of course, using the tools that we're going to explain in this section will be much more easier. But I'm just showing you that people are posting emails and are posting contact information in different websites. So here you go. This is an email for someone working there. This is another email. Here you go. So you can get people working on a specific company just by searching at their domain name, right? We have a couple of lectures to show you how to proper use Google for searching. I mean, we all are using Google for searching, but if you use some operator, you can get actually very, very deep information. We're going to see that in this section. I'm going to have 2 specific lectures about Google hacking, but we can start with that. But we have some specific websites that allow you to search for people. For instance, we have a site called People, but it's written this way. So if you go to this website and you search for, or you search using anything you know about anyone, an email, a phone number, a username, you will see the amount of information, because he's searching everywhere. So you can use this website and you'll be amazed. I mean, I searched for myself. He got me all my history, where I was living before, where it's quite amazing actually. So this is actually one of the websites. This is a global website. There is a specific website only for US people. It's called Zaba Search. Zaba Search. And in Zaba Search, let's see. This is only for US. So for myself, I lived in US for a while. So let me type my name. And let's search. So you'll get all my address where I lived, all my numbers, and the location. This is for free, the address and the number and everything. And if you pay it, let me just increase the screen size for you. You can even get more, like employment history or credit history or properties, and so it's quite interesting, those informations that you can get about people. So this is also another website. So many websites will allow you to get information, personal information. Now the question is, I'm doing a penetration testing. How that can be useful? How getting personal information can be useful? Let me tell you that 70% of today's attacks, the major attacks that we are hearing about, like Yahoo and Sony and RSA, all of those attacks has been done through people, because they have a very strong infrastructure. They are spending a lot of money on security. So the only weakness was people. So if you are able to collect some information, maybe I can use a fake email to send to one of the employee and showing it's coming from his manager and ask him to download a PDF file. And once he downloads the PDF file, I'm in. It's quite easy, and you're going to see that. So what I'm saying is, personal information is very important to understand or to get information about people who's working in the company, to get information about their profile, what they are doing, and so on. Now, instead of searching manually here and there, I would like to introduce to you a very, very powerful tool called Maltego. This is called an intelligence tool for reconnaissance. And this tool will allow you to actually gather much more information in an easier way. Instead of searching on different websites, it's a very, very powerful tool. So let's see how to use Maltego. So I'm going to show you how to start from here. And then I'm going to add few lectures about Maltego, but I believe this is a very, very powerful reconnaissance tool. So if you go to application and you go to information gathering, you will find Maltego here. Information gathering, you will find Maltego here. And if you are using Maltego for the first time, you need to create an account. It's free. They have two different editions. They have the community edition, which is free, and they have a professional edition, which is paid. So this is Maltego, and we're going to see how to use it in the upcoming lectures.